welcome to the unboxing of a new Roco locomotive that I just got from Model Band Shop Lippe. So the box is nice, it has a bit of information here. So this is the model 7310037, and if we look inside the box, this is the part of the Roco 2024 collection and is available since the second quarter. This is especially a locomotive from Adria Transport, and it is a Siemens Eurorunner type ER20, commonly known also as Hercules. This particular model, which has the number 2016-921, it's actually called Ingrid, and it's in service since 2012, and it works basically on the line in Slovenia between port of Koper and Graz, transporting mostly the things from the port. So this is a model in the HO scale, and this particular one is DC with the sound decoder, but Roco also offers it in the AC or also without sound. So if you have a look, first there's a lot of spare parts here that we will have a look what's inside, but now let's have a look at the locomotive beside. So I can lift it up like this nicely and move it in the middle. So the locomotive is relatively heavy, so I think all the spare parts will have to come here, but we have a nice level of details. Also on the wheels we have black and gray color. We have very nice markings here, high level. Here also the parts for the wipers, the handrails, the couplers, the horns. So the amount of detail also here is the name of the locomotive. It says Ingrid, as I said. Also on the other side, on the bottom part, also you can see on these two wheels we have the rubber parts on it to improve the traction. So looking at these other spare parts that we have, it is left open. So it will take some time to assemble everything. So these are these replacements for here. There are no instructions so far. Maybe inside here. Yes. So here we have also the instruction about the decoder type. So the decoder is Plux 22 decoder sockets. And these are all the settings that we'll have. Later on in the video I will also put it, of course, on the track so we can see. And these are the instructions how to assemble and what we have. So something to work still. But the level of detail, it's very nice. This will take a bit of studying, but in general I'm quite happy with the locomotive, with the amount of details, small print here, the colors here, the length. So of course the length is 90.28 meters, but in this it comes to 22.1 centimeters. So now let's put it on the tracks and let's see how it goes. So the locomotive is now on the track, so let's check the functions. So function 0, it's the lights. of course depending on the direction, either white or red. Function 1, sound. Then we have F2, it's horn high, and F3, horn low. F4, conductor signal. F5, couple and decouple. Then we have F6, shunting mode. F7, it's the curve squeaking, but of course only when it dries. Then we have F8, long glides. F9, long compressor. F10, compressor. Sorry, F10 compressor. F11, it's the fan. Then we have F12 and F13, which is turning off the driver's lights, or in the different cabins, depending on the direction of traveling. F14, we can put very quickly everything on mute. F15, it's empty running, so not much differences now. F16, we have automatic train stop functional sequence. 2 horn, F17. F18, we have the cab door open and close. F19, refueling. Refueling is rather long. Then we have F20, we have automatic train stop functional sequence, of course works when driving. F21, spring loaded brake. F22, brake set. F23, train length counter. F24, doors machine room. And then we have F26 and F27. We have the augmentation or diminution of volume. So volume increase and volume decrease. So these are the sounds. I find them very nice. So if we try to drive now. So let's have a look at the final verdict on this locomotive. So I like the level of details provided on the locomotive and also the quality of paint. So it's very clear, all the numbers are readable and understandable. I also very much like the functions and the driving at the high and low speeds, and the sounds, as you heard, are very good. Also the price compared to the other similar locomotives is quite okay. So this version, so DCC with the sound, costs around 300 euros. But if you don't want the sound, you can get the version also already for 200. Furthermore, as my focus is very much on the Slovenian locomotives and wagons, I'm very happy, and now this will add very nicely to my collection. So I would like to thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, as this is a show of support for me. Thank you very much.